Welcome back to the TIIM tutorial video series. In this video, we will show you how to create an emotion quadrant item for your experiment, how the participant can view the emotion quadrant item, how the participant can fill in the response for an emotion quadrant item, and how to view and download your data metrics. An emotion quadrant item enables the participants to click and move the cursor to the emotion that best describes them on an emotion quadrant image. Let's go over an example. We're going to focus on the modules and items level. Start by opening your study. Click on Modules. Open your module and then go to Content Items. On the Add Module Item row, click on Emotion Quadrant. Enter your question and optional description. You can leave the current emotion quadrant or upload another emotion quadrant image by clicking Select Image. The maximum size of this is 3 megabytes. For this example, we will use the current emotion quadrant image. Then press Save. Your emotion quadrant item is now saved in your module. When the participant has subscribed to the study and downloaded the TIIM application on their phone, they will be able to open the assigned intervention with its modules and items. An emotion quadrant item will enable the participant to click and move the yellow circle to the emotion that best describes them on the emotion quadrant image. Once the participant has finished the module, you will be able to see and download their responses, also known as the data metrics. Go to the metrics page. Here you will see an overview of the data of all the participants in your study. To filter your participants by either intervention or module, you can use the intervention and module drop-down fields. Select the module that has the emotion quadrant item. The module is shown as a yellow bar, and the items are organized just underneath the module. You can also see the length of time it took each participant to answer. To do this, check the Show Timings box, and a yellow box on the right of the item showing the time will appear. If you want to view this data in a spreadsheet, you may download the data by first clicking the Download button at the top of the screen and then clicking the Download blue button next to the intervention or module. It will automatically download the data as a CSV file on your device. In this video, we showed you how to create an emotion quadrant item for your experiment, how the participant can view the emotion quadrant item, how the participant can fill in the response for an emotion quadrant item, and how to view and download your data metrics. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.